Hello, beautiful souls. Are you tired of the persistent discomfort of a sore throat, the nagging presence of a stubborn cough, or the unwelcome visit of the flu and bothersome phlegm? Save this homemade syrup recipe for a boost when you need immune support during a cold. First, cut the pineapple into chunks and wash 2 carrots. Second, use a juicer to extract pineapple, carrot juice, fresh turmeric root, and 1 peeled seeded orange. Pour it into a mixing bowl, add 1-2 teaspoon ground turmeric and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix it well, pour it into a glass jar, and it's ready to drink. The combination of vitamin C from citrus fruit and the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, turmeric, and cayenne pepper can help soothe your throat. If you're watching this video, which state or country are you from? Tell me in your comments so that I can bring the next recipe. Don't forget to follow and tag someone who needs this recipe.